The next step in the project is to fetch data from an URL. Let's start in the index.js file. Please highlight and delete all the text in the file and write this code. The constant getStaticProps is declared and equals an async arrow function. This constant contains a response, and this response is the URL that we are going to fetch. As you can see, the asynchronous constant is using the fetch function, whose response is a .json format data and returns the data as the next parameter. Type props colon open and close curly brackets and type in there parent colon data, and the URL is taken from the fake store API. You can find this URL in the video description below, and export a default function that is in charge of returning the data in the user interface. I mean, readable in the browser. To do this, the JavaScript map function must be used. React library uses the props keyword as argument in any function that you want to use, and props is the param argument that is inside the curly brackets in the function. So in this case, we're gonna map the param argument like this: open and close curly brackets inside the JSX code and type param dot map open and close parentheses and define a thing of your preference. In my case, I define it as product. Then place an arrow and open and close parentheses, and here I have to explain the React lists. These lists must have a key in the HTML parent element. In this case is the section, and a second child element is the header 1. The iteration takes the values from the ID, title, and let's create a paragraph 2 with some description. Remember that the param is storing the values from a JSON format whose entry keys are the ID, the title, and the description. A button is added to in the JSX iteration with the name add inside. Copy and paste this button and rename it as view. The functionality of these buttons will be coded later. By now it is done, and we can see the fetched data in the browser. Type npm run dev in your terminal and open your browser in the localhost 3000. There you can see the fetched data in the browser as title and description. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.